Hello students, welcome to my channel Knowledge Nudge. Today we are studying chapter 10 of class 7th DAV English Literature, Friends and Flatterers back exercise. Understanding the poem. A. Given below are some words from the poem in column A and their meanings in column B. Match the words with their correct meanings. Column A, flatterer. Column B, very little, not as much as there should be. B, scant, enemy. C, prodigal. Third, one who says nice things about someone without having sincere feelings for the person. D. Grief. Fourth, a feeling of great sadness. E. Four. Fifth, generous, one who gives away large amount of money. F. Bountiful. Six, to try to please someone with lavish praise. G. Pawn. 7. One who wastes money without giving my thought to the future. Answer A 6, B 1, C 7, D 4, E 2, F 5, G 3. B. A few expressions from the poem are given along with their possible meanings. Take the meaning that you consider to be the most appropriate ones. A. Words are easy. Answer. They don't really mean what they say. B. Wherewith to spend. Answer. Surplus money to spend. C. Fortunes once do frown. Answer. One loses the money one has. D. Crowns be scant. Answer. One becomes poor. C. Identify four pairs of rhyming words from the poem and find out the rhyme scheme of the poem. Answer. Friend, spend, before, more, prawn, renown, weep, sleep. Thoughts. In the third stanza the poet says, pity but he were a king. If a person is a king, why is he to be pitied? Answer. If a person is extravagant and spends money without sparing a thought, everyone would like to be friends with him. They will even call him bountiful. Even if such a man is a king, he is to be pitied because he does not have a true friend. All his friends are fair weather friends. Life skills. Given below are some traits of sincere friends and flattering foes. Write them in a proper column given on the next page. First, point out your weaknesses in a fearless but decent manner. Second, praises you even for those qualities which you do not have. Third, cannot feel comfortable if you are in trouble. Fourth, shares with you the pain of your grief. Fifth, treats you as a king as long as you have money. Sixth, leaves you when your fortunes are low. Sincere friend, flattering foe. First, point out your weaknesses in a fearless but decent manner. Second, praises you even for those qualities which you do not have. Third, cannot feel comfortable if you are in trouble. Fourth, shares with you the pain of your grief. Fifth, treats you as a king as long as you have money. Sixth, leaves you when your fortunes are low. Values. There is a marked difference between the sincere appreciation of a faithful friend and the artificial flattery or flattering foe. Discuss. Give examples of your personal experience. Refer to the poem The Spider and the Fly also. Answer. Flatterers have only their own interest in their mind. They are like fair weather friends. They will bend low for you and will you make you feel on the top of this world. Whereas true friends will not flatter. They will be straightforward with their comment. They will call spade a spade. In the poem Spider and the Fly, we see how the spider praises the fly for its beautiful wings and eyes like diamond because he wants to trap her into a web. Writing skills. Imagine that you picked a quarrel with a classmate and said rather nasty things. One of your friends pointed out to you that the fault was yours and you should feel sorry for it. However, you were furious with your friend also for not taking your side. Later, you realized your mistake. Write a letter to your friend saying that you are sorry. Answer A. 485 New Ashok Nagar, New Delhi, January 5, 2022. Dear Shubham, I am writing this letter to you to express my apology for misunderstanding you. Now I realize it was my fault because I picked up quarrel with Anuj over such a petty issue. I said nasty things to him and you too. I know you pointed out my mistake because you are a true friend of mine. I was furious with you for nothing. I am really sorry for that. Hope you will forgive me. You are my true friend and I value your friendship greater than anything else in this world. Yours truly, Ravi.
Thank you for watching the video. If you love it, then like it, share with your friends, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notifications about further videos.